A very good morning, dear students. So again, I'm Mrs. Sharon is back with you all to teach moral science. So children, we all are meeting after so long. You've got holidays for many days, isn't it? Have you all studied? Yes or no? Yes. I hope you all must have studied. So how are you all? Are you all fine, children? Okay. So now let's come back to the lesson number 4, the ant and the grasshopper. So all of you take out with me page 17. So let's do the recap of the lesson. Let's see what we have done till now. So we have seen that once there was an ant and a grasshopper. They both lived in a field and they both used to play and talk. And during those days, the weather was very pleasant. Now, one day, what happened, children? The grasshopper was enjoying the weather and was singing happily to himself. Just then, he saw the ant walking by and was pulling grains of wheat one after another and carrying them to her house. Children, have you seen an ant? Such a small insect, but very hardworking. Grasshopper too surprised when he saw the ant pulling grains of wheat one after another and carrying them to her house. So Grasshopper asked Ant, what are you doing? Now, what was the answer given by Ant? That she was collecting food for the winter season because winter will come soon. So it was till here we have done. So now children, today let's continue the same lesson. So all of you take out page 18 with me. Now children, after listening to the answer of Ant that she is collecting food for the winter season, the grasshopper was very surprised and said, why Ant is collecting food so early? Winter season is 5 months away, and insisted little Ant to come and play with him. But Ant was not at all ready to play, and she said, no, it will take time to find food, and she has to store food for the whole winter season. So she said she can't play that time. She also asked Grasshopper that why don't he come and start collecting food with her. Now children, tomorrow let's see what was the response of Grasshopper. Grasshopper was ready to collect food for winter or busy in enjoying the weather. So this we will see tomorrow. So for your homework children, what will you do? You will going to read the lesson. So now children, tomorrow we will continue the same lesson and tomorrow we will meet. Till then, goodbye and take care.